set, go.
It's over.
Oh.
So it's not about muscle.
Somebody call it.
Oh, sorry. Ready, set, go.
Ah.
Alright, 1, 2, 3.
Reality is Chris just likes all the eats. Oh my goodness! I think he's making.
Wait! Yes!
No.
Come on!
Yeah, Brian.
One more!
You're up.
Yeah.
Here we
Ryan's
go.
gonna beat me.
Ready, go.
Oh, come on! No, come on!
Come on, Ryan. Take him down. Take him down.
Dude, this is gonna be a good match. He's hiding. Dude, this is actually a match.
Ah, he's got me.
No, Ryan, push
Come
harder.
on, Ryan!
That was awesome.
Guys, I think you should take him.
1, 2, 3, go. Push.
Damn, Marion!
You're fired.
Oh,
It works. All I had to do was say you're fired.
I think she broke my arm.
Can I start?
Do we have any Bengay?